Hello engineers, welcome to the new video of the course, and in this particular video we are going to see that which device was used before semiconductors and why exactly we switched on to semiconductors and why we are not using the device which was been used previously. Okay, so as I had already mentioned over here is that before semiconductors vacuum tubes were used. Okay, and so why they are not used today in today's world. So there are certain advantages which I had listed over here, but before that let me just show you the size of a vacuum tube. Alright, so you can clearly see this is the image of a vacuum tube, and you can just check its size. Okay, and it is quite bulky as well, and it consumes a lot of space, right? So today whatever task that you are performing through semiconductors, the same task was done by this particular vacuum tubes. Okay, but there were lots of disadvantages. First of all, it used to consume a lot of power. Secondly, it is quite bulky if you look over here. Third, it consumes a lot of space, and also its maintenance cost was very high as compared to semiconductor. Now if you look over here, in case of semiconductor, these are the advantages that we get. So it consumes very less energy, it is long life, and most importantly it is very small in size. Okay, now if you try to compare this vacuum tube with your smartphone, so even the size of your smartphone, it might happen there that the digital watch, I'm not aware of smartphone, but surely your digital watch, it is the size of the digital watch, it is quite less as compared to the vacuum tube, and it can perform a lot of tasks, right? Calling, maybe you can also listen music on today's smart watches and all. So that's why we always prefer semiconductors over vacuum tubes. Okay, so this was just a short video showing the advantages of semiconductors, and also wanted to show you that which device we were using before before invention of semiconductors and all. Okay, so I really hope that you understood the advantages of semiconductors over vacuum tubes. Okay, but still if you have any doubts in any of these particular points, not only in this one, in any of these particular points, you please make sure to ask me in the communication section. Okay, I will surely help you out there. So thank you for listening to me patiently. I am ending this video over here. Thank you.